Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video series, I would like to try Meguiar's car washes with Suds foamlance. I have Meguiar's goldclass car wash with shampoo and conditioner. This one is one of the most favorite car washes from Meguiar's. If you have a black car, this one is one good shampoo for your car. It is very slick and it smells very good. The second one will be Meguiar's NXT generation car wash. It is very thick and it produces a very great amount of suds when you're washing your car. So I will try it with the foamlance this time. It has a kind of a blueberry smell or something, and this one will be on the second video. The third one is the Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax with hydrophobic polymer technology. I've been using this for like 10 years and it's very good. It gives boost in looks and also boost in your hydrophobic effect. So it just seems like you're using your UKD on your car. The next one in line is the Meguiar's Detailer line Citrus Blast Wash and Wax. High gloss carnival wax finish, quick rinse formula, saves water and time. This one I've been using this much lately because it's very it gives that look like the old Meguiar's car waxes, like the deep crystal. It smells very good and it dries very easy. And I just got Shampoo Plus in my arsenal. I just bought it and it just arrived later in the afternoon, so I just put it in the video. This one it looks like a gold class but in a bigger size. So all the tests will be using the Suds foamlance. It will look like this, and it has measurement bar, so very easy. You can mix the product and the water correctly, and it's very stiff and sturdy. And let's give it a try. I use also spoon measurement and cup measurement in order to pour exact amount of shampoo to the foamlance. Okay, let's start with the gold class. Here's the foamlance from Suds Garage. All of the tests I will be using 1 to 10 dilution ratio, so it'll be 600 milliliters of water and then 60 milliliters of car wash. I'm using Karcher 2360 using a tip of a VP 180. I loved this combination so much. It will be making it easier to reach the bezel from the top, middle to the lower part of the car. After we rinse the car, I'll continue with the foamlance. I can say that goldclass with 1 to 10 dilution ratio gives quite a good amount of suds with this pressure washer. The foam clings quite well on the vertical side of the panel, and it looks foamy enough. Maybe I can try with another dilution ratio next time. With the foam on the car, I can wash the car from the top to middle to lower part of the car using the Meguiar's wash mitt and 2-bucket system. With the foam sitting on the paint on the car, it'll loosen the dirt, makes your car washing a fun experience. It'll be slicker and it'll be smooth. I'll continue washing the rest of the car, and I will post other videos using the other car washes soon. See you!